Ghostkillers, welcome back to some more Ghostkiller Screws Around. I'm going to do a bunch of strangers and freaks. And apparently... I thought she was like twerking. I thought she was like, and twerk, and twerk. Like, what the heck, lady? Stop listening to that Miley Cyrus. I can't be like a break.
Are you okay?
It's not nice.
Just fuck you, all of you.
I'm on a road to Meridian City. She's been playing a lot of Pokemon.
Hey, I play nice football, alright, sweetheart. All state.
Yeah.
Whatever. Just don't have a career now. Let's go!
What the heck? Oh, great. Okay, so I had to watch a TV. What happened? I didn't pay nothing attention to this. Did I have to race her? What happened?
Hey, Mama, how y'all doing? Okay, man, boo, race you to the beach. I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio.
It's running. How much gear do you need?
Cheating.
Being chased by my creepy uncle. I can't
Yeah.
believe you're cheating already. Stay on the path.
Man, don't tell me this is a triathlon.
Oh, look who it is. The man who can't stay on the path.
I am on the path, woman.
On the road. Take that traffic head on.
Yeah, I could have guessed you were one of those.
The road is for runners.
I am on the road. I'm on the road to Meridian City. This ain't a stranger. This is just like a crazy person. No. Jump, Michael. Lady.
Sorry about the Neanderthal.
Haha. Come on, Michael. You
Here
can...
we go. Last push. Come on. Flick the switch, Marianne. Let's go left.
I thought I had issues.
Go, go, go. I have to win this. Move.
I own you.
No, you didn't. I'm beating you, Lord. Yeah, I killed him. Michael, remember you killed him? Yeah, I decided to kill him. Ooh, bike. Ooh! Ooh! Suck it.
Not too shabby, huh? Totally null and void. I have annihilated you. If you had taken that shortcut.
Yeah, whatever gets you through it. Oh, my chest.
Michael, you've run 2 triathlons.
You're lucky I'm tapering for a try.
Kill her. Just kill her right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was probably like, don't cheat. I don't know what I'm doing, freaks. They're just fun to play with. Because they're super freaks. They're super freaks. They're super freaky. I want to know who sings this song. I heard it from... What was it? Did I literally do all Michael's Freaks and Strangers? I think it did. Okay, Michael, or Franklin, here you go. I heard that song from Scarface, though. That game had so many cuss words in it. Dude, are you a wizard? Hold on. No. I can't. Oh. I thought this is just like nothing. Oh, dude, you knocked over the chair. Dang, Michael, you had a party? Party rock is in half. Barely did. Oh, wait, hold on. Where's that? There's one book that Michael has. What the heck is that? Hold on. Hey, oh. That's first. You see that red book? I think that red book. I can't. Oh, I think I know what I can do. Chop. Hey, he's got a T-bone steak. Okay. Got here. I can pull out guns. Okay. And then go right there. One of those books is written by John Marston. And it's called Red Dead. Anyway, I need to take a cab. I own a taxi company, don't I? I don't see why they pay me, or they still make me do it.
You got any cabs available?
Not a problem. A driver's on the way.
All right, thanks.
Super freaking twerking. That's what that lady was. Oh yeah, this is my $10 million car. It costs $10 million. It costs more than $10 million. And here's my other car. I got 3 things. I got the motorcycle. I got this sweet soup ride, and I got the expensive car. Now I need like a truck. Okay, Mary Ann. Yeah, I don't want to do her. Stranger. Stranger danger. Stranger danger super freak twerking. There you go. That's the perfect title. I need brave face. Oh, it's the dog. I remember this dog. I killed him.
What? What's that? You said a man is stuck in a tree. And he needs my help?
Franklin is like part dog.
He's a bit of a dick. But you're doing your civic duty. Okay, show me.
Franklin, how do you use... Oh, he's got chop. There was like one dog when I was switching to Franklin one time. And he was like,
I've officially lost my damn mind.
but I accidentally killed the dog.
What, boy? He just jumped out of a fucking helicopter.
I was about to say, how did a man get stuck in a tree?
And now you kind of wish you've missed a tree. But morality is a human construct, and you're not hardwired to think that way.
Franklin, how do you speak dog?
Talk about a fucking dog. Say what? Wait, you talking about my kind of bitches or yours?
But seriously, how do you get stuck in a tree? I was just to say, oh, I see him. Is that him? No, it's just Scott. Not Sky is Minecraft. Anyway, I was about to say, how do you get stuck in a tree?
Hey, you wasn't wrong. Look at this fool.
Is he hanging off a cliff? How was like no? How was like not all the blood ran to his head and he'd just be like shoot, be like Mega Mind?
Saved your ass, man.
Dude, I have no idea what you're talking about right now.
The fuck?
Hello? When you got a moment. Here you go. Oh man, that was wild.
Man vs. Wild. Anyway, so I'm at the end of the episode here. I just saw a ghost dog. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching Ghostkillers. My name is the Ghostkiller987, and I will see you next time. Also, remember to subscribe for more, and also check out my other YouTube channel at Ghostkiller Ghost Slow-Mo. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, stay off the drugs. You might see ghost dogs.